Today in this video I would like to share how you can control your light, and you can control the DC motor with one VR switch. So this is a variable resistor. You can use either it's B10K or B5K or 100 ohm or 200 ohm, 500 ohm. You can choose any value. That will be really depends on how big is your light or how big is your DC motor. So this video is just want to share what is the concept and how it work, this variable resistor. So I have 12 volt power supply right here. This is 12 volt, and my light bulbs also 12 volt. So the moment I supply 12 volt, positive wire coming here and one side to the light here, and negative wire goes to the other side of the light. So this is just DC 12 volt, so this is very safe and I don't have to worry for a short. So you just don't short these two positive and negative. If you short this positive and negative, then your power supply will be damaged. So this light bulb, there is no positive and negative. You can supply from the other side here, then you get the light. If you reverse the other side also, you will still get the light. There is no positive and negative for the light bulbs. And the same goes to the DC motor. I have one small DC motor here. This DC motor you can supply 12 volt, so there is no positive and negative. So the motor will goes from this side. If you reverse positive and negative to the motor pin here, negative this side, positive this side, the motor rotation will be the other way. So we don't have to worry for polarity. So the main things is how we can dim this light. So in this case, as I mentioned before, you have to have either it's 10 kilo ohm or 5 kilo ohm or 1 kilo ohm variable resistor. So positive wire will come, you remove the positive wire we remove here, and this variable resistor you connect to in the middle pin here. In the middle pin here, this is input, and the other side output here. Click right here and connect to the light bulb. So we didn't get the light, so we're going to control. So we can control this light to make it the dimmer. So diagram is very simple. Positive comes to in the middle pin here, and the other side positive wire go back to and connect to the load. So one thing you have to be careful is if your light is a big size, the watt is big, and you cannot use directly this variable resistor. So your variable resistor is this side is going to be quarter watt. That is, the watt is very small. So this light also very small, so I can directly control from this VR. If you want to control the big light and you cannot use this variable resistor, you need to choose the big size of variable resistor according to the light watt. So this light is maybe 10 watt, then variable resistor need to be at least 10 watt as well, otherwise your variable resistor will be burnt. So this is, I just demonstrate for how it's work. So we're going to control with, so I can feel this variable resistor is a little bit warm because of this light bulb is. So we just need to check how many watt you are using the light bulbs. So this only 3 watt. So the light bulb is 3 watt and this variable resistor is less than half watt. So if I dim very loud and the resistance going to be high and this resistor can be burned out. So I'm going to control with the motor. Here DC motor. You can control it right here. That's very slow. So just like the light, if your motor is big and you are loading something for the heavy, then you cannot use this small variable resistor. You might need to choose the bigger size so that your variable resistor will be much more longer. Otherwise, your variable resistor can be burned out. So I hope you understand this concept, this variable resistor to control either is the light or the DC motor or any appliance. So just for information, this variable resistor is not only for the DC, you can use AC voltage as well. So I hope this video will help for someone those who trying to understand this, how this to control the DC motor and the light with variable resistor. So thank you for watching my video.